Good morning, this is Brendan with Rugged Development, and we're going to do a review on our RuggON PM-522. Let's take a look at the unit. Let's turn it on. Here's the overall look of the unit. You have your CAT card right here. You got your power button, your two programmable keys. Let's go to the unit. So with these keys, these are self-programmed. So in this case, we have Dash On and Internet Explorer for our F1 and F2 keys. Just click that again. They come with a hand strap on the back as well as a hard handle. And in the rear we have a 5 megapixel camera. The touch display is very accurate on this unit. Here's just an overall of our website, and this exact unit is right here. So here are some of the features of the RuggON PM-522. 6-foot drop resistance, so you could drop this up to 6 feet, and it comes standard with a 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. So in case you do manage to break it from a 6-foot drop radius, everything would be covered with this unit. And overall, this is an amazing unit. The price to value for $1,300 that'll last 3 years and will outperform any tablet on the market. We are very impressed with it. It's very fast as well. So just here's the Windows Home. Let's go inside. And in the front we also have a 2 megapixel camera. And the hand strap functionality is great. Overall, we would rate this tablet a 9.2 out of 10. And that's the review of our RuggON PM-522.